In this video I will show you how you can potentially qualify for the Mantra airdrop. Now Mantra is built on the Cosmos SDK, and currently Mantra has raised a funding of around 11 million from Dubai and Hong Kong. Now what Mantra does is basically it tokenizes all the real world assets, for example maybe real estate or maybe your car. So and currently the real world assets is one of the hottest narratives in the crypto space. So to be honest, we can see Mantra doing pretty good in the future. And if we go ahead and visit their website, as you can see they have this Hongbai Testnet which is live. So I think this name is derived from Hong Kong and Dubai. And in order to qualify for this airdrop, you will need to have a Kepler wallet. Now if you don't have a Kepler wallet, you can go ahead and download one Kepler wallet. I will leave the link in the description, and you can go ahead and set up your Kepler wallet. Now if you are using a Leaf wallet like me on the Cosmos ecosystem, then basically you can go ahead and import your private key from your Leaf wallet to your Kepler wallet. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go to your website over here, and the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to click on this add to Kepler. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go to your Kepler over here, and on the top left you have to go and click on manage chain visibility and just select or just type Mantra. Now this should be ticked over here. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go to their faucet over here, links in the description, and simply go ahead and paste your address. So I will go ahead. So what you have to do is once you are here on Kepler, go a bit down over here, search for Mantra and copy this address and go ahead and paste it over here and click on request token. Now it might take some time for the tokens to be reflected on your Mantra on Kepler wallet. So once it's there, all you can do is you can go to explore.hongbai.mantra chain, and if you don't know which address to send your Mantra tokens, you can basically go to the recent transactions over here and click on any of the transaction. For example, this transaction, I will click on this and I will go ahead and maybe copy this address, and all you have to do is you will need to go back over here to your Kepler wallet, search for Mantra, and basically you will need to send some Mantra tokens. So I will go ahead and send some maybe 0.005 I think so, and click on next over here and click on approve. Now simply repeat this process around 10 times, 10 to 11 times. As you can see, the transaction is successful. So basically what you are doing is you are building transactions on the Mantra and trying to build up some volume on the Mantra network. Now once you do that, you can go to Galaxy campaigns over here and complete their Galaxy campaigns. Whatever is eligible, you can go ahead and complete this. Now there might be few another round of Galaxy campaigns for Mantra in the future, but we are not sure. And as you can see, this is a incentivized testnet. So there is like 99.99% chance that there would be Mantra airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.